Good morning everyone. How are you? Fine? Very good. So you all are ready to begin with our today's class? All set with your proper books and notebooks? Great. So beginning with our today's class, today is 30th July 2020. So which day is today? Today is Thursday. Yes, Thursday. And the date is 30th July 2020. So now in the first period we are going to study maths. Yes, maths. We have been doing counting in our math subject. So today we are going to do the topic missing numbers from 1 to 50. So you all are aware what is missing numbers? Now tell me what is missing numbers? मैम ने आपको बताया था missing number means the numbers which we have skipped. हम लिख रहे हैं and we skipped some numbers. लिखते लिखते कुछ numbers हमसे miss हो गए and we have to write those numbers to complete the series. Clear? So today we are going to do this in our book. Where we have to do today's work is in your book and the topic is missing numbers. So we are going to complete this given series from number 1 to 50. So from where we have to start our counting? We are going to start our counting from 1. And till where we have to do? We are going to finish it on 50. Now I have made a grid here. Grid is a number box, boxes in which we are going to write numbers. Okay. So I have drawn a grid here. और मैम ने क्या किया? I have written some numbers in between. मैम ने कुछ numbers लिखे हैं, but when I was writing these numbers, मैम missed some numbers. मैम ने कुछ numbers miss कर दिए. So now what we have to do? We are going to start from 1 and see जो numbers हमने miss किए हैं, we are going to write those numbers. Clear everyone? So first see this work and then we'll do it in book, and where you have to do, I'll tell you that also. So let us begin with our work now. So from 1 we have to start our counting. 1. After 1 comes 2. Yes, so we are going to write 2. So now ma'am is using a different color chalk to identify the missing numbers. Clear everyone? After 2 we are going to write 3, 4. Then which number will come here? We'll write 5. Then after that 6, 7, 8 is given to us. So what will come after 8? 9. Yes, 9. And after 9 is 10. So let us check whether we have written correctly or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first number series is complete and we have done it correctly. Very good all of you. Now moving to the next line. We have 11 given to us. So from 11 we are going to start our counting. 11 and after 11 comes 12, then 13, after 13 is 14, then we have 15, 16 is given to us, then after 16 is 17. So we are going to write 17, then after that will come 18, 19 और 19 के बाद after 19 is 20. Yes. So again after writing this we are going to check our work. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clear all? Okay. Now how many of you are saying 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12? I told you this is wrong. 1, 1, 11 तो नहीं होता होता है, ओके, 1 और 1, अब ये तो 2 भी हो सकता है ना, so this is wrong way of saying 1 1 11, we'll call it 11 12 13 like this. Clear? Okay, now we have completed our 2 series. Now moving to the next one. From 21 we have to start. So 21 is given to us. After 21, 22 is also given to us. So what is the next number we are going to write here? 23. Yes. So we'll write 23. Then after that we'll write 24. Then 25 is given to us. Then we'll move to the next number, that is 26. Then we have 27. Then we have 28, 29, and the last one is 30. It is already written here. So again we are going to check whether we have written correctly or no. So we are going to begin with 21. क्योंकि 20 तक हमने check करा, it was correct. Now from 21 we are going to start. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Clear all? Okay. Now moving to here. Now, अब हमें यहाँ सबसे पहला नंबर तो नहीं दिया हुआ है. So what to do? But we have 33. So what comes before 33? आप या तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, 30 दिया है तो we know 31 आएगा. But in case we got confused, हमें 30 नहीं दिया था, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 33 is given to us. What comes before 33? 32. So we'll write that 32 here. Now what comes before 32? 31. Yes. इसीलिए मैंने आपको बताया था what comes before भी अच्छे से करना है. So let us see now. 31, 32, 33. So we have done it correctly. Okay. Now moving to the next number. What will come after 33? 34. So we are going to write 34. Then after 34 comes 35. Then comes 36. After 36, 37. Then 38. Then after 38, 39. So we are going to write 39. And the last one is 40. So let us check once again now. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So this is also correct. Now moving to the last one. The first number is given 41. So how we are going to write the next number now? Which is the next number? 42. Yes. So we'll write 42. Then we'll write 43. 44 is given to us. Then 45. Then the next number will be 46. Then we have 47. After 47 comes 48. Yes, so we are going to write 48, 49, and the last is 50. So we are supposed to complete on 50 and we have completed it on 50. So let us just see once again. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So like this, today we have done missing numbers. So the numbers that are written with red color were the missing numbers जो मैम ने grid में नहीं लिखे थे. And now we have completed this counting from 1 to 50. Clear? Now moving towards the book work. So today you are going to do work on page number 50. So open your book page number 50. I'll write it here, book page number 50. This is your classwork and I'll explain you how to do this work in the book. With this, I'm also going to tell you your homework as well. Clear? So open your book and just see how you have to do the work. Okay? So class, in your number book 2, you all are going to open page number 50. So open page number 50. Here the topic is given, write the missing numbers. So the same topic which we have done in this video, write the missing numbers. So the first thing is write today's date, that is 30th July 2020, and this is your classwork. So you are all going to write CW like this. Done. Now let us start writing the numbers here which are missing. So I told you you have to start with counting. So let's begin. 1. After 1 comes 2, 3, 4, then comes 5, then 6. 6 के बाद comes 7. It is given here. What comes after 7? 8. Then comes 9. And after that 10. So let us just check as we were doing in the earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first series is complete. Now let's begin with the second one. So I told you अगर ऊपर का number नहीं दिया है तो what we have to do? We have to write the number that comes before. So what comes before 12? 11. Yes, so we are going to write 11. Now what comes after 12? 13. After 13 comes 14. Then comes 15. 16 is given to us. Then what should I write here? 17. After that 18. Then 19. And after 19 20. Now 21 is given to us. So let's write 22. 23. What comes after 23? 24. Then what comes after 25? Because 25 is given to us. 26. What comes after 26? 27. After that 28. After 28 comes 29. And then comes 30. So I have told you these 3. Now the other 2 should be done by you. How you are going to do? See, अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे बहुत सारे number missing हैं. So what comes after 30? Yes, you are going to write that here. Complete these 2 lines and share your work. Now moving to the next. See and paste stickers. So what is this? Can you tell me? What we are going to call it? Empty. Yes, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. So we call it empty. और अब इसमें कुछ है. But it is not completely filled. तो how what we are going to call? Half filled. आपको याद है मैम ने आपको दिखाए थे empty box. फिर हाफ फिल्ड में मैम ने आपको रेड कलर वाटर दिखाया था और फुल में मैम ने आपको दिखाया था अ बॉक्स विच वाज फुल ऑफ बीड्स. यू रिमेंबर दैट कॉन्सेप्ट? सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर. सो नाउ सी एंड पेस्ट स्टिकर्स. सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू टेक योर स्टिकर्स? Here. So we have our stickers empty, half fill and full. So from here you will peel your stickers and you are gonna paste them here. Clear? So this is your classwork. Now what is your homework? The next page is page number 51. So write today's date, 30th July 2020. This is your homework. How you are going to do? Join the dots from 1 to 50 to complete the picture. Begin from star. Now here the star is given. Can you see this? From here you are going to start. अब आपको क्या करना है? पूरी काउंटिंग को फॉलो करना है and you are going to complete it like this. 1 से 2, 2 से 3, 3 से 4. So like this you are going to complete and come till 50. जो भी picture create होगी you have to color this. Done. Another homework for the day is you have to write your counting. You are all very much familiar with this counting. So write this counting from 51 to 60 in this book. Clear? So these are the 2 homeworks which you have to do. First is You are going to complete this picture, color it, and the second homework is complete the writing of complete this counting from 51 to 60 and share the work with me. So you have understood the work to be done in book as your classwork. So complete that grid and also paste those stickers from the back side. So you know from where you have to take the stickers. Then your classwork is done. Now moving towards homework, I have told you that you have to write counting also and complete that picture and color it beautifully. Okay. So what you have to do, you only have to follow the counting. So picture complete हो जाएगी and after that just color it beautifully. Okay. So complete your work and share your work with me. And now get prepared for the next class. So which is your next class today? EVS class. Yes. So get prepared for the next EVS class. Bye all.